Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. In this video, we are going to talk about deoxyribonuclease test, that is DNase test. DNase test is a biochemical test performed to differentiate organisms on the basis of their ability to produce the DNase enzyme. DNA is a large molecular sized polymer composed of multiple nucleotides monomer that is large in size and thus cannot enter the bacterial cell membrane. Microorganisms produce the deoxyribonuclease enzyme to break down the DNA into smaller monomers which can then be taken into the cell easily. The ability to produce DNase can thus be used to differentiate between different pathogenic microorganisms. Principle: DNases are enzymes that hydrolyze DNA and release free nucleotides and phosphate. The media used to detect these enzymes can be made by using various indicators or no indicators to detect the hydrolysis of DNA. So there are two methods. Procedure: preparation of the media. In a beaker, 42 grams of the dehydrated powder is added to 1 liter of pure distilled water. The suspension is heated with agitation to bring it to boil in order to dissolve the medium completely. The dissolved medium is then autoclaved. Once the autoclaving process is complete, the beaker is taken out and cooled to a temperature of about 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. The media is then poured into sterile Petri plates under sterile conditions. If indicators are to be added, 0.1 gram of toluidine O or methyl green is added to the medium before sterilizing. DNase test. First, without indicator. The agar plates are inoculated with the test organism from an 18-hour culture with a sterile inoculating loop or needle. The plates are incubated at 35 to 37 degrees centigrade for 24 hours. The incubated agar plates are fluided with a 1 normal HCl solution and the excess acid is tipped off. Sometimes it's allowed for the reagent to be absorbed into the plates. The plates are observed for a clear zone around the colonies within 5 minutes. With indicator. The agar plates with an indicator are incubated with the test organism from an 18-hour culture with a sterile inoculating loop or needle. The plates are incubated for 24 hours at 35 to 37 degrees centigrade. The plates are then observed for the change in color of the indicator. Result interpretation. Without indicator, a clear zone around the colonies demonstrates a positive test after the addition of 1 normal HCl. A negative test is the absence of a clear zone after the addition of 1 normal HCl. With indicator, a positive test is demonstrated by the development of a pink or red halo around the colony or the well in the agar. A negative test is demonstrated by no change in the royal blue color of the medium. This was all. Thanks for watching.